So this is a document which was released by Ministry of Education in 2020, which highlighted all the reforms which has been made from 2014 to 2020. I will show you some of the relevant pages for our discussion over here. There is a page which talks about the need for reforms in board examination. That means you are primarily testing rote memorization. It is important that we change this. So, what has been the approach to actually change this type of learning? They have definitely introduced a change in question paper design. Let me zoom in that for you. So, to test the understanding of students rather than mere content, CBSE started modifying the design of its question papers. This was done by adding 10% of questions oriented towards higher order application, which are source or case based. And this will increase by 10% every successive year till 2025, reaching up to 60% competency based questions in any given question paper, which means that all of you who are still going to continue with your school years, so if you are in ninth grade right now, please expect that in 10th, 11th, 12th, your competency based questions is only going to increase in the coming years. A 10th grade student, you can expect a change in question paper pattern every year. So 11th and 12th also you would have an increase in the competency based questions. Let's look at the kind of change that they are announcing in the question paper pattern. So in 2019 to 20, they started introducing these questions which were inspired from the PISA exam, the competency type questions. If you look over here, it was 10%. 10% of 80 marks, which means only 8 marks questions were there. And these were actually coming in the form of long answer questions at that time. Then what happened in this year, that means the board exam which is supposed to be conducted this year, they had told that 20% would be competency based questions in the 10th grade question paper, 10% in the 12th grade question paper. So that's how we had 16 marks case studies coming in the board exam paper pattern this year, and 10%, which means 8 marks case study based questions coming in the 12th grade board paper. Now, this is just going to increase. How is this going to increase? In 2021 to 2020, that means the year we are right now, 30% and 20% respectively for 10th and 12th. And look at the change that is expected to come over the coming years. Over this period, you can see that the number of competency based questions is only going to increase. So that means if you are in 6th or 7th right now, you are going to have 60% of your question paper which are going to be outside textbook questions, purely testing your application of concepts to unfamiliar types of questions. So this is a very important change which is happening in our question paper design, and it's a welcome change. It is a good thing. It is going to be beneficial for you in the long run. Let us also look at how India is partnering with the British Council in order to help the Indian teachers develop these kind of questions.